Welcome back, everybody. Hey, just doing a little maintenance here. Pulled the Schrader valve out of my Stan's No Tubes stem. Took the tire pressure out and stuff. Just doing a little bit of a refresh on the tire sealant. They say to do this, 2 to 12 months. I've had this bike going all summer, so I figured it was about time for me to actually get going on this. So it's just as easy as just pushing it on into the tire. Anyway, hope you guys have a great weekend. I'm going to have to free up another hand here to finish this, but been riding the Trouvaille like no tomorrow. I'm going to get started on building my gravel bike here probably next week. I have kind of a goal for that thing. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great weekend. Get out and ride your bikes, guys.